Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by powering off the Studio 3 and placing it face up on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Once done, use a small flat tool or your thumbs to gently pry the outer lip of the ear pad away from the ear cup. The pad is held by a tension lip, not screws. Work slowly around the circumference to release the lip evenly. Make sure to keep the removed pad in case adhesive rings remain, and set the replacement pad nearby in the correct orientation. After the old pad is off, inspect the ear cup rim for glue or foam fragments. Clean with a barely damp 70% isopropyl wipe and let dry so adhesive bonds properly. Next, align the replacement pad so the seam matches the headphone hinge and the label orientation is correct. Start by tucking one side's lip into the groove, then rotate and press the opposite side in. Keep firm, even pressure around the rim so the pad snaps securely into the tension channel without twisting the material. Once both pads are seated, power the headphones on and play familiar audio to confirm sound quality and seal. A proper seal affects bass response. Make sure both pads mirror each other and the ear cups close comfortably. If you find a pad is loose, remove and reseat the tension lip, working slowly around the rim, or add a thin adhesive ring where original retention failed. If audio issues persist, check the speaker grill for displaced foam. Reconnect Bluetooth and restart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.